Okay, for moving load analysis, first of all, you need to go to load and moving load. Then you will select the code as ashto lrft. Now we'll define the traffic lanes. Now I'll click on traffic lanes. So let's say lane 1, and I'm going to define the lane with reference to the left tub, let's say. So I'm going to select all the left tub sections from here. Since you have different cross sections, you can select them all, or you can just select it graphically. And I'm gonna do the vehicular load distribution as cross beam. So basically the load will first fall on the transverse beam, which includes the deck and the transverse members of the deck, and then it's gonna transfer to the girders. So I'm gonna select the cross beam group as transverse beam, and you can see that we have these three different options selection by for the lane definition. So this is 2 points is for the straight bridges, or this one is for the curved bridges picking. You can just click on different elements to pick the elements where you want to define the lane. But number is the easiest. You can just select all the elements, just copy it, paste it here, and click on add. And once you click on OK, you will see that the lane has been defined uh, depending on how the element is defined. So this is how the lane is defined. Now let's define one more lane here. So lane 2, and let's say this lane is a little eccentric to this girdle line. So let's say it is at a distance of 12 feet, which is going to be 144 inches. Again, cross beam vehicular distribution, the same elements. So I'm defining it with reference to the same elements. Click on add and click on OK, and you will see that
Can
now
you define the lanes? Can you define the lanes relative to a single line of elements every time?
Yes.
It's just easier that way?
Yeah, it is easier that way. But the vehicular load distribution will always occur through the transverse beam. But you can just define the lane with reference to one element because it is easier to do that, right? Okay, so this is how you will define all the lanes in this model. Now, once you define all the lanes, you will go to vehicles and you will go to add standard. And I'm adding the Astro truck, and I'm also adding the tandem. So I selected truck and tandems. I applied dynamic allowance factor of 33%. And now I'll go to vehicle class. So basically I'm putting the truck and the tandem as a class. So I'm putting it as HL93. I'll select the vehicular load. I'll select the truck and the tandem. So vehicle class is defined. Now after you define the vehicle class, you can go to moving load cases and you can define the moving load case. So I'll name it as moving, and I'll click on add here in the subload cases. I'll select lane 1 and lane 2 or whatever number of lanes that you have, the maximum number of loaded lanes, and this way the moving load definition is complete. So basically this is how you're going to define the moving load for your model.